Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Goyal and my subject is Knowledge in Curriculum. The topic for today is role of apex bodies in providing curriculum and pedagogic support to teachers within schools NIUS. The National Institute of Open Schooling is an autonomous institution under MHRD established in 1989. It offers secondary, senior secondary and vocational courses through open and distance learning mode. It also offers open basic education and elementary teacher education program. It operates through a network of 5 departments, 22 regional centers, and more than 6,500 accredited institutions in India and abroad. It is the largest open schooling system in the world with cumulative enrollment of 4.13 million. The openness and flexibility in education is key to educational programs of NIOS. There is no upper age limit. Freedom of choice of subjects, self-learning study materials, transfer of credits, and flexible examination system with ICT-based on-demand examinations are some of the learner-centric facilities being provided by NIOS. Objectives: to take steps for developing strategy plans for promoting and upscaling the open schooling program, provide technical and financial support to state governments in India for settling up and subscaling of SOS, to develop needed action plan for making education equitable and inclusive, offer a wide spectrum of courses of study in general, vocational and continuing education and life enrichment courses up to pre-degree level, to develop need-based curricula and self-learning materials, to develop multimedia and multi-channel delivery modes for effective transaction of courseware, to support courses and programs, to provide effective student support services, facilitating learners by establishing study centers in agencies, organizations, and institutions in India and abroad, conduct examinations and issue certificates to successful learner, promote quality of learning in ODL through monitoring, supervision, and evaluation, undertake research, innovation, and development activities in the area of open schooling and disseminate findings, act as a resource organization and capacity building center in open schooling, collaborate with national and international organizations for promotion of open schooling, partner with government schemes and programs at school sector for achieving the national goals and objectives, provide professional technical consultation in field of ODL. Role in providing curriculum and pedagogic support. Providing sustainable inclusive learning with universal and flexible access to quality school education and skill development. Provide relevant continuing and holistic education up to pre-degree level through ODL system. Contribute to the universalization of school education. Cater to the educational need of prioritized target groups for equity and social justice. It also pays special attention towards requirement of first generation learners, physically, mentally, and visually challenged learners, envisages schooling by providing a learning continuum based on graded curriculum, ensuring quality of education for children, new literates, school dropouts, left outs, and NFE completers. For implementation of open basic education program, the NIS has partnership with about 853 agencies providing facilities at their study centers. Thank you.